Hey, how's it going, guys? This is Chase from Jackal Woodworking. I am here with another shop update video for you today. This is something I'm trying to do more, trying to do kind of a weekly shop vlog, or whatever you want to call it. You know, not necessarily a vlog. It might be whatever, a tool review, or just an update on a project, whatever it might be. But it's something I'm trying to do more, since I'm trying to do one project video a month, and then in between, I'm going to fill in the time with these shop update videos. So for today's shop update video, I'm here to talk about table saws, namely the table saw predicament that I found myself in. You may have noticed, if you watched some of my videos before, this is not the table saw I usually use. Usually I have a Delta table saw, a Delta contractor saw, that I got about a year ago, and it worked really well until it didn't, because the cast iron top that I had on my Delta saw actually wound up warping. Really? It wound up warping right around the throat plate. It heaved up in the middle, so if I were to put a straight edge on it, it would wobble about 1/8 of an inch in either direction. Therefore, it was making it nearly impossible for me to be able to get a straight cut. The angle would always be a little bit off, and it was horribly frustrating. So, thankfully, the tool did have a 5-year warranty on it, and I actually wound up being able to just take it back to Lowe's and get my money back. And in the meantime, what I'm doing is just using this old job site Bosch table saw. We've had this one for many years, and it's still trucking along, but since I got my money back from the other saw, I am looking to get another shop saw, not a job site saw. And while the contractor saw was good, I don't mean for this to be like a negative review or comment about the Delta, because the Delta worked fine, and I know of many people who have used that Delta saw with absolutely no such problem. Mine seemed to have been an outlier. That's not like a recurring issue that these table saws have, but I don't want to have to deal with this. So I'm looking to upgrade to something a little bit more permanent, you know, more of a dedicated shop saw over the contractor saw. What are you doing? What are you doing? What's your problem, man? Yeah, so I'm looking to upgrade to something more, you know, more of an upgraded shop saw, you know, something more of a hybrid or a cabinet nature. What I've been looking at so far, I mean, obviously their exhaust stop, slot stop is top of the line, but it's also the top of the line price, so I haven't been looking too seriously at the saw stop, just because I don't think I'll be able to afford it. So more in the line of things I've been able to afford, I've been looking a lot at, I've been looking some at the Jet Pro Shop model, the Grizzlies. I know that they have a couple hybrid saws that are actually quite affordable and look to be pretty decently built, so those are the ones I've been pretty seriously considering. I found the Laguna Fusion model to be something that... Really? You need attention that bad? Just sit down. Just sit down. Sit down. So yeah, I've been looking at the Laguna Fusion model. I found one of those somebody was selling on Craigslist. Looks like it might be a pretty good deal. So I wanted to put the question out there to you guys on YouTube. Do any of you guys own the Grizzly hybrid saws? I don't know what the model numbers are. But I know they've got 2 really popular hybrid saws. Does anybody own those? Does anybody own the Laguna or the Jet? Or is there any other model of table saw that you guys can recommend? Because I'm looking to invest in something that's going to last me a lot longer than the Delta wound up lasting. Like I said, I'm not trying to bash the Delta. I know there's many people who have that saw and it works just fine for them. Mine just didn't work out. But yeah, if you guys have any suggestions, leave them in the comments. Let me know what you guys think. Meanwhile, other stuff going on in the shop besides this little guy here. We've got a new workbench slash outfeed table slash assembly table, you know, kind of the ultimate shop table that's getting worked on right now and coming along quite nicely. So looking forward to getting that done and getting the video put out there for you guys. So other than that, hope you guys are having a great day. We'll see you next time here on Jackal Woodworking. Hope you guys are having a great day.